Hello and welcome Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called The Day Mr. Roy Lost his Cool. In the bustling classroom of Bluebell High, Mr. Roy, a seasoned history teacher, was known for his calm demeanor. Students often joked that nothing could ruffle his feathers, not even the infamous troublemaker Rohan. But one fateful Wednesday, that changed. The morning had started on a sour note. Mr. Roy's car had a flat tire. The coffee machine at the staff room refused to work. And to top it off, he had misplaced the test papers he was supposed to distribute. By the time he stepped into the first class of the day, his usual composure was hanging by a thread. As he began the lesson of French Revolution, whispers and giggles floated from back of the room. It was Rohan, of course, sharing memes on his phone and distracting the others. Mr. Roy gave him a sharp look, but Rohan merely smirked, slumping further into his chair. "Rohan, pay attention," Mr. Roy said firmly. "Sure, sir," Rohan replied, mockingly saluting him. The class burst into laughter. Mr. Roy felt a spark of anger ignite. He clenched his fists and tried to move on. But the disruptions continued. Snickers, paper planes, and muffled jokes at his expense. Finally, Rohan crossed the line. As Mr. Roy turned to write on the board, a paper plane sailed past his head, landing on the floor in front of him. He turned around, his face red with anger. "Enough," Mr. Roy's voice boomed, silencing the room. "You think this is funny? You think wasting everyone's time is a joke?" The class stared in stunned silence. No one had ever seen Mr. Roy raise his voice. Even Rohan looked taken aback. "I come here every day prepared to teach you something valuable, and this is how you repay me? If you don't care about your future, that's your choice, but don't ruin for those who do." The weight of his words hung in the air. Mr. Roy took a deep breath, steadying himself. Then, in a quieter tone, he said, "This is the last warning, Rohan. Don't make me regret giving you another chance." The rest of the lesson continued in pin-drop silence. When the bell rang, Rohan lingered behind him. "Sir," he mumbled, his usual bravado replaced with a rare sincerity. "I am sorry. I didn't mean to push you that far." Mr. Roy looked at him, his anger replaced with weariness. "Apologies are a start, Rohan, but what matters is change. Show me you can do better." Rohan nodded, and for the first time Mr. Roy saw a flicker of respect in his eyes. That day, both teacher and student learned something new. Even the calmest water can rage, but storms often bring clarity. We hope you like this short story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.